As society continues to embrace diverse expressions of gender, the femboy aesthetic has gained increasing visibility and acceptance. For many, passing as a femboy in public is not just about looking the part, it's about embodying confidence, style, and authenticity. If you're looking to refine your femboy presentation and exude confidence wherever you go, this guide is for you. Tips number 1. Invest in a good pair of high heels. High heels are more than just a fashion statement. They're a powerful tool that can transform your posture, elevate your look, and boost your confidence. The right pair of heels can make your legs look longer and your walk more graceful, adding a touch of elegance to your overall appearance. When selecting heels, comfort is just as important as style. Start with a moderate heel height, such as 2 to 3 inches, to ease into walking in heels. Look for heels with a thicker base or platform for better balance and stability, especially if you're new to wearing them. Black or nude heels are versatile options that can complement almost any outfit, while bold colors can make a statement. Walking in heels takes practice, so don't be discouraged if it feels challenging at first. Practice at home by walking on different surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. Focus on keeping your weight on the balls of your feet and taking small, measured steps. Over time, your confidence and comfort in heels will grow, making it easier to strut your stuff in public. Tips number 2. Dress smartly. Your clothing choices play a significant role in how you're perceived as a femboy. Dressing smartly means finding a balance between feminine and masculine elements, creating a look that's both stylish and authentic to you. The key to dressing smartly is understanding what works best for your body type. Opt for clothing that accentuates your strengths and makes you feel confident. For example, if you have a slender frame, fitted clothing can highlight your shape, while flowy fabrics can add a soft, feminine touch. To create a unique femboy look, experiment with mixing masculine and feminine pieces. Pair a tailored blazer with a lacy top, or wear a fitted dress with combat boots. This blend of styles allows you to express your individuality while maintaining a balanced appearance. Don't overlook the power of accessories in elevating your outfit. A statement necklace, a chic handbag, or a stylish scarf can add polish and personality to your look. Choose accessories that complement your outfit and reflect your personal style. Tips number 3. Be confident in your skin. Confidence is the most important accessory you can wear as a femboy. How you carry yourself can significantly influence how others perceive you. If you exude confidence, people are more likely to accept and respect your femboy presentation. Confidence doesn't come overnight, but it can be cultivated through self-love and acceptance. Start by embracing your identity and recognizing that your expression is valid and beautiful. Surround yourself with supportive people who affirm your identity and encourage you to be your authentic self. Unfortunately, not everyone will be accepting of your femboy presentation. It's important to develop strategies for handling negative comments or stares. Remember that other people's opinions do not define your worth. If someone makes a hurtful remark, respond with grace or simply ignore them. Your confidence and self-assurance will speak louder than any criticism. Tips number 4. Try experimenting with makeup. Makeup is a powerful tool that can enhance your features and add a feminine touch to your appearance. Whether you're new to makeup or a seasoned pro, experimenting with different looks can help you discover what suits you best. Makeup can be used to highlight your best features, such as your eyes, lips, or cheekbones. A little bit of foundation can even out your skin tone, while mascara can make your eyes pop. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors and dramatic looks if that's what makes you feel confident. Tips number 5. Focus on posture and body language. Your posture and body language play a crucial role in how others perceive your femininity. By focusing on how you carry yourself, you can project confidence and grace. Good posture is essential for a confident and feminine presentation. Stand tall with your shoulders back and your chest open. This posture not only makes you look more confident but also helps you feel more confident. Avoid slouching or hunching your shoulders, as this can diminish your presence. Body language is about more than just posture. It's also about how you move and interact with others. Use gentle, flowing movements to convey grace and femininity. Avoid abrupt or rigid gestures, as these can appear masculine. When interacting with others, maintain an open stance, facing them directly with relaxed arms. This creates an inviting and approachable presence. Tips number 6. Wear fitted clothes that show off your curves. Fitted clothing can do wonders for highlighting your body's natural curves and creating a more feminine silhouette. When your clothes fit well, you'll not only look better but also feel more confident. The key to wearing fitted clothes is finding pieces that complement your body shape. Look for clothes that are snug but not too tight, as overly tight clothing can be uncomfortable and unflattering. Pay attention to the fit around your waist, hips, and shoulders to ensure a balanced silhouette. Use clothing to draw attention to your best features. For example, a well-fitted top can highlight your chest, while a cinched waist can accentuate your hips. High-waisted pants or skirts can create the illusion of longer legs and a more defined waist. Tips number 7. Style your hair in a feminine way. Your hairstyle is one of the most noticeable aspects of your appearance, and it plays a big role in enhancing your femininity. A well-styled hairdo can frame your face, complement your outfit, and add to your overall feminine presentation. Your hair is a canvas for self-expression, so choose a style that reflects your personality and enhances your feminine features. Whether you prefer long, flowing locks or a chic, short cut, your hairstyle should make you feel confident and beautiful. There are countless ways to style your hair in a feminine way. Loose waves, curls, and sleek straight styles are all popular choices. If you're looking for a more polished look, consider braids, updos, or buns. Don't be afraid to experiment with hair accessories, such as headbands, clips, or bows, to add a playful touch. Tips number 8. Strike a pose. Act like you know you're sexy and own it. Confidence is magnetic, and when you act like you know you're sexy, others will believe it too. Striking a confident pose can enhance your femboy presentation and make you feel more empowered in your skin. Posing is an art form that can boost your confidence and make you feel more connected to your feminine side. Practice different poses in front of a mirror to see what makes you feel most confident. Whether it's a subtle tilt of the head or a bold hand on the hip, the right pose can elevate your look. Spend time practicing poses that highlight your best features and make you feel powerful. Experiment with different angles, lighting, and facial expressions. Over time, you'll develop a set of go-to poses that you can rely on in any situation. Embrace your sexiness and own it. Whether you're taking selfies, walking down the street, or posing for photos, channel your inner confidence and let it shine through. Remember, sexiness is an attitude, and when you believe in your own allure, others will too. Passing as a femboy in public is about more than just appearance. It's about embodying confidence, style, and authenticity. By following these tips and embracing your unique identity, you can present yourself as a confident and empowered femboy, ready to take on the world with grace and poise. Remember, the key to passing is not about fitting into a mold but about being true to yourself and expressing your femininity in a way that feels authentic and empowering. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.